You spend 15 to 20 years in school, learning math, science, history. But here's a simple question. Why don't schools teach you how money actually works, how to earn it, how to manage it, how to grow it? Because the truth is, this is one of the most important life skills. Yet, most people learn it too late. School prepares you for jobs. Schools are designed with one main goal: prepare you for employment. You're trained to follow instructions, meet deadlines, pass exams. All useful, but the outcome is clear. Get a job, earn a salary. Not build wealth, create assets, understand money. So from the beginning, you learn how to earn money, but not how to handle it. Money is still a taboo subject. Another reason is cultural. People don't openly talk about money. In many homes, money is either avoided or only discussed during problems. So naturally, schools avoid it too, because it's seen as too personal, too sensitive, or not academic. But here's the irony. We spend most of our lives working for money, without ever learning how it works. The system benefits from this. There's also a deeper reason. The system works smoothly when people work, earn, spend, repeat. If everyone understood money deeply, they would invest more, spend differently, depend less on jobs. And that changes everything. So financial education is not always prioritized. Instead, it's something you have to discover on your own. Financial education is always changing. Here's another important reason. Money is not a fixed subject. It keeps evolving. New technologies, new investment options, new ways to earn. What worked 20 years ago may not work today. Schools struggle to keep up with this change. So instead of teaching outdated ideas, they often avoid the topic completely, which leaves people to figure it out in real life. Real learning happens after school. The truth is, most people learn about money only after they start earning, through mistakes, debt, bad decisions, trial and error. This is expensive learning because financial mistakes cost real money. But those who take time to learn early gain a huge advantage. They don't just earn, they build. What you should have learned. Let's keep it simple. Here are a few things schools should teach. 1. How money flows. Income. 2. Expenses. 2. Savings. 2. Investments. 2. Assets versus liabilities. Assets make money. Liabilities take money. 3. Compounding. Small money over time becomes big. 4. Multiple income sources. Depending on one salary is risky. These are simple ideas, but they change everything. Conclusion. Schools didn't teach you about money, but now you know. And that gives you an advantage. Because today, learning is a choice. You can stay in the system or understand how it works. And once you understand money, you stop just working for it. You start making it work for you.